is the next-gen process, where systematic material organization ensures flawless production down to the smallest gasket.
Utilizing the latest spectral analysis technology, this station ensures the purity of every steel sample used in Suzuki manufacturing.
The systematic quality process utilizes advanced laser scanning and hardness testing to ensure every component meets Suzuki's exacting standards. Using advanced laser technology, the system traces the panel's edges, detecting even the slightest imperfections. The bare metal shell reveals the raw structural beauty, highlighting every welded seam in this next-generation process. The electrophoresis process ensures a perfect primer coat, essential for the Suzuki's durability and finish. Through advanced electrophoretic deposition, the uniform gray coating is chemically bonded to the chassis, ensuring total corrosion resistance.
The flawless finish reveal demonstrates the mirror-like quality of the next-gen process, resisting any marks.
Next-gen process. System activation sequence. System check complete.
The critical moment, the marriage point. Millimeter by millimeter, the components align, securing the heart of the new Swift. The next-gen process achieves the perfect marriage point integration, with dozens of mounting points aligning simultaneously. Fastening precision. The next-generation process ensures every bolt is secured with synchronized accuracy.
Here we use the mirror to check the often missed fuel tank strap bolts. Everything appears within specification. The dynamometer allows us to simulate real-world conditions at high speed, analyzing tire deformation.
Next-gen process, digital verification confirmation.
The Suzuki Swift demonstrates remarkable agility through the chicane, showcasing the stability control's rapid response times.
Welcome to the next generation process. The stunning Suzuki Swift, captured in ultra-high definition.
Welcome to the next-gen process, showcasing the revolutionary rear lighting technology of the new Suzuki Swift. The all-new Suzuki Swift.
This is the next-gen process, a symphony of precision engineering, where a new Suzuki Swift is born every 60 seconds. The next-gen process is a symphony of precision, where hundreds of hands and machines work in perfect harmony to create the future of mobility.